Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get NBA League Pass from 2K25. So simply open any of your browser. I'm currently using Chrome, and go to the Google and search NBA League Pass and press enter. After that, this website will come in front of you, nba.com. Simply open this website, and when you open this website, on the right corner click on sign in if you already have an account, or sign up if you don't have an account. After that, click on League Pass and it will take you to a new page. And when you scroll down, there are two passes, League Pass and League Pass Premium. You can try both of them. The prices are different. There is a season League Pass and a monthly League Pass. You can try whatever you want, and whatever you want to buy, simply click on try out free, and it will take you to this page. Click on sign in. After that, add your billing information, and after that, confirm the payment, and that is all you need to buy NBA League Pass 2K25.